Friends, hoping that you are fine. You want to withdraw, you want to fuel your robot. So what you do, first go to your Royal queue, click on asset. When you click on asset, click on deposit. Click on deposit. When you click there, then click on deposit again, which is down here. When you click there, the wallet address is going to come. Then you copy it from there. When you copy it, then go to your Binance. When you go to your Binance, you come to wallets. And then you go to spot. Then when you click on spot, you go to withdraw. Go to withdraw. When you click on withdraw, then you are withdrawing USDT. Click USDT, then you are sending via crypto network. When you click there, then it paste your wallet address that you got in your Royal queue here. I paste it. Then you choose the network. We have different networks. Choose Tron TRC20, this one. After choosing it, then you put the amount of money that you want. Put the amount of money that you want to send. Let's say $10. After that, then you click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, then it is going to bring for you this. If you are sure of what you are doing, then click confirm. For me, you click confirm. After clicking confirm, then it will ask for your verification codes. After those ones, you put them, then the money, you wait for the money in your Royal queue. Thank you very much.